this place is always packed. It's like a club in there. Definitely is pretty cool in there. Sephora, there's a Money Exchange. That's the only one left that I know of in the area. Freehold Mall have one, Menlo Mall in this area here in New Jersey. But this one is holding on here. Freehold might have one still, but I know Menlo, that one isn't there anymore, Menlo Park Mall. Yeah, I used to buy a lot of the Armani stuff. I was a logo tramp, I guess you can say. I think that was the term. Armani stuff, it was cool. It was cool for a while. It's still alright, I guess. Personally, I don't like a lot of logos on myself now. Maybe if it's my own logos, different. But I like the subtleness for the most part. And doing these videos, I wear black shirts very often. It just makes more sense. So let's go. Let's see how the bottom level is here, the lower level of the mall. There really is a good amount of people here today. Got the chocolate here, a lot of chocolate, the Lindt store. Got Japanese crepes over here. Oh, okay. It's all good. Japanese crepes. Got the mini sole right there. Simon, the best excuse to go shopping. There you go. They got their own app too. Download the app. There's probably there's perks. There's probably some good things on the app. Download the app. Right here by the Marshalls and the Cold Stone and the Tommy Hilfiger is this little mirror. So I like to do my little mirror moment here with little big guy. Our Pocket 3 camera, little big guy. Wow, long line in the Nike. Whoa, look at the long line here for the Nike. Wow. That is a crazy long line right there. Let's check it out from this side, the long line. There's a lot of outlet prices here too, so that's a big reason why. It's a Nike factory store. So you're gonna get 60% off items. It says right here, up to 60% off. You know, you got some deals there. So it is an attraction here. The low prices on some of the outlets stores. And you got Adidas right there. Abercrombie and Fitch. There's a North Face somewhere, and that North Face is very popular also. The North Face. So yeah. And there's the World Cup games going on, so there are some shirts going on. You see I'm pretty sure that's for the soccer. The yellow shirts. If I'm wrong, correct me, but I'm pretty sure. I'm not always right. I'm not ever claiming to always be right. I don't know everything. I know what I know. I don't know everything.